Today we are solving question number 10 of the ISI MTECH CS. So let Px be a polynomial of x of degree k greater than equal to 0. Define an equal to this in AP. Then we must have which of the following. Okay, so this is given. So ये AP में है. Let's calculate an first. So an क्या होगा? P into n plus 1 minus Pn. That is the formation we can have. So polynomial form and difference. So Px का एक polynomial form ले लेते हैं. a k x k a k minus 1 x k minus 1 dot 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 a1 x plus a0. Okay, तो अभी हम लोग को find the polynomial of the expression p of n plus 1 and pn. So both we need to find out. So p of n plus 1 will be a k n plus 1 whole to the power k in that way, a n n plus 1 and a0. Similarly p of n just replacing this value. तो इसमें से अगर जो difference में a n, so that is the a n of this thing. So for consider px equal to x to the power k. ठीक है. So the difference p of n plus 1 minus pn is n plus 1 whole to the power k divided by minus nk. So polynomial expansion of the and AP condition. So expand n plus 1 whole to the power k using the binomial theorem. So this is like summation of k c I n I. So n plus 1 whole to the power k minus nk will be k c k minus 1. जारे formula लिख रहे हैं k c k minus 2 k c1 n k c0. So the highest part of the difference is n to the power k minus 1. Okay, so for an to be an arithmetic progression, that is, so the difference a minus n must be a constant value. So degree of conditions for AP अगर लेंगे, so in this case the polynomial must be such that highest degree of an equal to a linear case. ठीक है. अब लेते हैं k का वैल्यू अगर greater than equal to 3 हुआ तो क्या होगा? So this is n plus 1 whole to the power k n k in terms of the degree. So k minus 1 greater than equal to 2, यहाँ दे देगा k greater than equal to 3. ठीक है, लेकिन it must be a quadratic, तो डिग्री के less than equal to 2 होना चाहिए, तभी इसके साथ ये मैच होगा. So obviously k less than equal to 2 is the final answer.